Hello and welcome to my channel Reveal and Review. Today I'm going to be opening or revealing this cool vintage Ozzy Osbourne Blizzard of Ozz carnival mirror that I got off of eBay. So this is the box that came in. No need to delay, we'll just get right into it. Cut it open, see what we have going on here. Alright, well, looks like they did a good job of packaging it. A lot of packaging in there. Not as heavy as I thought it was going to be, but cut this out of here. So from the pictures, this one looked a little bit dinged up. I actually have one of these that's almost in perfect shape already, and I just kind of wanted to add to my collection. This one looked a little more dinged up than the one that I already have, but I thought I'd get it and see. So, there it is. Very cool. I don't know if you can see it. That might be a little bit better look. Thumbnail action going on. Put those scissors down. Let me take a look at it here and see. That's actually not bad. Only thing I don't really like about it is this Blizzard of Ozz. It's a little bit blurry, kind of like somebody painted it on there. Not really like it's nicely etched into the glass. Let me give it a clean with some Windex here, and we'll see what it looks like after I shine it up. Oh gosh. I think I'm rubbing the... Yeah, that's no good. Well, that's no good because it actually took some of the design off there. I don't know. I don't really like that much. So that is what it is. That's what I have for you today. Be sure to check out my other videos. I have another different style of Ozzy Osbourne carnival mirror that I've got a video of opening it on my channel, and another Ozzy mirror just like this. It's in a lot better shape than this one. I do like the frame on it though. It doesn't have anything to hang it on, but it's a cool looking frame. So there it is. Very nice. Hope you got a good look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you like. I'll probably be doing a few more things on this channel. Maybe some food reviews, drink reviews, and some more unboxings of just cool things that I like that I bought on the internet. That's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great night. Thanks.